This is Steve, and today I'm at the Good Guys, and sometimes you see some really cool cars in a parking lot for sale. Ran across this one, 1961 Impala, two-door hardtop. Come around over here and check this out. It's a little indication of what's going to be under the hood. Really highly patinaed, very rusty looking, but has a lot of potential. Under the hood here, it looks like we have a big block. It's a 348, so it's a before the 409 in 61. Earlier cars had 348s as an option, and this is one of them. Looks like somebody's made an attempt to get it going. They got a radiator in it, rebuilt the water pump and the alternator, or the generator, I should say, for 61. Got it going. It's kind of fun to see these cars in this original state, this highly patinaed original state. I mean, you may look at it and say, okay, this is just too much work, or you just want to dig into it right away, or this would be a cool car just to leave it alone and just drive it as is and just let everybody yell at you and say, how come you're not restoring it? It's like, no, I like it just the way it is. And I've been looking at it for a while. A lot of people have been looking at this car because it's so fascinating to see an unrestored car like this. And it's ratty and worn out, but it's all here. When the car looks 100%, it's probably 99% here. Definitely restorable if you have the time and the budget. I don't know what they're asking for it, but I'm sure it's not cheap, and restoration wouldn't be cheap. But again, it's cool. It is a 61 bubble top Impala. One of my favorite year Chevys is 61 bubble top, and just fun to see a big block like this in its original state here at the Good Guys. Just had to show you this thing. Catch you next time in the garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe.